Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy coin on Trust Wallet. First, download the official Trust Wallet application from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and create a new wallet. You will receive a 12-word recovery phrase. Write this down and store it in a very safe place. This phrase is crucial, as it is the only way to recover your funds if you lose access to your device. Never share it with anyone. Now that your wallet is set up, it's time to add some funds. On the Trust Wallet home screen, simply tap the Buy button. You can then select the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and enter the amount. Trust Wallet partners with various third-party providers, so you'll choose one and follow their prompts to complete your purchase using methods like credit cards or bank transfers. If you already have crypto in your wallet and want a different coin, the swap feature is your friend. From the home screen, tap Swap. You'll select the cryptocurrency you want to exchange and the one you wish to receive. Review the transaction details, including any network fees which can fluctuate. Confirm the swap, and your new coins will appear in your wallet shortly. Protecting your assets is paramount. Always enable biometric authentication, like fingerprint or facial recognition, or set a strong PIN for your wallet. Keep your Trust Wallet app updated to benefit from the latest security enhancements. Be cautious of phishing attempts and only connect to trusted decentralized applications. Remember, your recovery phrase is your ultimate backup. And speaking of great deals, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.